precise material positioning is crucial for perfect cutting results. That's why I asked Pascal today if he can show me how we ensure that the material lands exactly on the table during an automatic transport.
Yeah, so just to show you that, once your material is onto your feeder, the first thing you want to do is, of course, align your textile with the laser pointer. Once that is done, you then take your textile and put it onto the feeding unit itself, which is pretty straightforward. Once your material is on there, you always want to, of course, keep the alignment with the laser pointer done. And the next step will be your feeding progress. While you're feeding, the feeder has two light barriers on here, which always ensure if the material is too much to the left or too much to the right, that then the material wagon will drive in the counter direction to just keep the material in one straight line on the system.
And what happens when our material is empty?
Yeah, that's a good question. Next to those two light barriers that will keep the material wagon moving, we have a light barrier here, which always checks if the material is still on the feeder or if there's no material left anymore. Once you have finished your material, your system and your feeding unit will tell you that your material is or has come to an end. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.